The rain on the east continues to fall. The Franklin American Mortgage Music City Bowl, Conference USA champion Central Florida, and the SEC Arkansas Razorbacks. Jeffrey Godfrey, Jamar Newsome, 17 yards. They'd get backed up on penalties. It'd be no problem for Ronnie Weaver, who rattles off 73 big-time yards all the way down the field. And he wouldn't quite make it. He would get pulled down at the 5. And that would be huge because they wouldn't be able to punch it in. They'd have to settle for a 22-yard field goal. It's 3-0 Knights. Darius Winston will pick up the fumble and takes it back 45 yards to give the Razorbacks the 7-3 lead going into the second quarter. UCF's done a good job so far in the first quarter holding off this powerful Razorbacks offense. But as soon as we say that, it's Ryan Mallett to DJ Williams, 28 yards to add on the 10-yard field goal. It's 10-3 Razorbacks. 85 yards. Ryan Waters, pass catch ties it up. UCF 10, Arkansas 10, and the Knights out of Conference USA giving Arkansas all they can handle. Niall Davis, 12 yards, getting it inside the red zone to add an Arkansas field goal from 28 out. It's 13-10 Razorbacks going into the half. Third quarter, Ryan Mallett finds Niall Davis, 48-yard touchdown to extend Arkansas's lead to 10. Arkansas 20, the Knights 10, and we go to the fourth quarter. It was an explosive one. Niall Davis once again, who pretty much saved this game for the Razorbacks, would take it 44 yards, shedding tackles into the end zone. 27-10 Razorbacks have really blown this one open. Godfrey finds Newsome, 25 yards, gets the feet in, trying to make something happen, trying to drive. Quincy McDuffie, 14-yard post route. Kamar Aiken, look at the time that Godfrey has, finds Aiken and pushes his way into the end zone. 27-17 Razorbacks lead. They cut it down though to 10 points. Arkansas would recover the onside kick, and it was Niall Davis, 35 yards, touchdown. 34-17 Razorbacks. I'm telling you, Niall Davis saved this bowl game for Arkansas when it was starting to get out of hand. Aiken, 34-yard catch. McDuffie, 21 yards down to the 1. He would cap it off with a 1-yard touchdown catch. 34-24 onside kick, no good. Arkansas takes the knees, and they escape with the victory thanks to Niall Davis. Look at the numbers: 18 runs, 135 yards, a touchdown. When he caught the ball, he ran it for 137 yards for 2 touchdowns. He was on fire, literally. Godfrey, he didn't do half bad himself, but the interceptions really killed UCF when they were trying to make the comeback. And they had the Razorbacks on the ropes, but on this day, it's number 8 who will be going on to round number 2.